Okay, so this one, right, under Stripe, right, if you want to, few important things you need to configure here first, in the sense that to run through when you subscribe to Stripe, is this one. You just make sure all your account details are correct, the company names and all this information are. So even your description when they billing, how it looks like, so they know it's from you lah. So these are a few things. So under settings again. Then after that, your bank accounts, make sure that you set your bank account so when you withdraw, it will go to the bank account details. So this is a payout when they're going to be paying to you. You can set this to automatically every day so that the moment they pay you, you immediately either the same day or next day, the Stripe will process the payment details already. I mean, to your bank account already lah. So you can also set a fixed time of the month. If let's say you say, I don't want too late, I mean, too troublesome, you want to put it like on the 25th of every month to make the payment to you. So Stripe will do that. Nah. Then that means your money will be kept in Stripe. Okay, this is an important one. This one, the branding is the one. There's also another one that this is the one that is a receipts, that is where you need to set everything. You can actually put your icon if you want, or the logo, so that this is how it will look like. You can send a test receipt to yourself so that you can see how it actually looks like lor. Okay, so this is how it will be lah, hosted image and stuff like that. So just make sure this information is all correct when you send the test email. Okay. And then emails. Okay, this is the one that if you want to get notified, what you want to notify to the customer when they refund or when you send any information, you can turn on. Lor. And what is your support email whenever they reply or when you do anything for your Stripe? Meaning when you utilize Stripe, what email do they see, who's coming from when they want to reply also? Okay, so you can actually set that lah. Okay. What else? So once that receipt is all set already, the next thing that you want to do is the invoice template. So this is the one that you may want to set like, okay, thank you for your business. So some of them, if you send a manual invoice, this is how it will be lah. The default memo, your footer, the bottom part, how it looks like and all. And what is the payment method you can allow to turn on and off lah, that you want to activate. So this one is if actually some customers who manually don't want to register themselves through the website, and they said, never mind lah, you just send an email to me on the invoice, so you can actually invoice them directly. Okay. Tax is if you actually have any tax information and needs to set it lah. Okay. um how you do that is actually you need to go to customers invoices. So this is where you can create an invoice and send them an invoice for this customer who prefers manually. Okay, so you can set them as a subscription basis lah. Okay. uh, Actually, if this is invoice is just one thing, maybe a subscription will be better lah. Subscription because yours will be a more subscription model. So invoice is like a one-time thing, so you can just create a subscription and then send whoever the customers details are. If you don't have, you just add a new customer information and what is the information about the one that you're going to be billing them. Okay. So this is assuming you're going to be manually lah. So this is just a simple walkthrough for Stripe. This is where hopefully this is helpful in the sense that how you set up your Stripe properly, in the sense of able to set your billing and create your billing properly lah. So also other than that, just now you manually send the payment billing, right, manually, you can also check a few of these options to turn it on one. So let's say if you are doing Alipay in future, if you want to activate, you can actually on it as well lah in future lah. And then Apple Pay, those kind of things. So I just have to run through all this. Okay, so that's about it. Let me know if you have anything for this Stripe backend. Cheers.